Hi everybody, this is Miss Lauretta, and I was trying to think of how we could play this number game that we were playing at school without you being able to come and turn the cards. So what I thought of was I found different objects and different colors so that way you can tell me which color card you want me to turn over. So for example, if you wanted me to turn over this card, you would say blue or blue dinosaur. If you wanted me to turn over this card, you would say Snow White. If you wanted me to turn over this card, you would say Olaf. If you wanted me to turn over this card, you would say Mermaid or Ariel. If you wanted me to turn over this card, you would say Elsa. If you wanted me to turn this card, you would say orange. If you wanted me to turn this card, you would say purple. If you wanted me to turn this card, you would say red. If you wanted me to turn this card, you would say green. And if you wanted me to turn this card, you would say yellow. So the way we're going to play this game, the first way, because I have different ways of playing this game, is I'm going to say a number, and then I want you to tell me which dinosaur or which figure I need to turn over. So I put these cards out going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to say a number, and then I'm going to ask you to tell me which card you think I need to turn over. So if I ask for the number 6, which card would I turn over? In your mind, you need to be looking at the screen and counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you told me blue or blue dinosaur, you would be correct. And I would turn it over. Okay? So that's how we're going to be playing this game. Are you ready? Let's start it. Which card is number 2? If you said Ariel, it would be 1, 2. Here is Ariel. Now, which card is number 5? Count the cards. If you told me red dinosaur, because you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would be correct. Which card is number 7? If you told me Olaf, you would be correct because you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is where Olaf is. Which card is number 3? Did you count them? If you told me green dinosaur or green, you would be correct because you'd go 1, 2, 3. Which card is number 8? Count the cards. If you told me purple dinosaur, because you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you would be correct. Which card is number 4? If you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, you would be telling me Snow White, and you would be correct. Which card is number 10? Count the cards. If you told me Elsa, you would be correct because you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which card would be number 6? If you told me blue dinosaur because you counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you would be correct. Which card is number 1? If you told me yellow dinosaur because you counted 1, you would be correct. Which is the last number that's missing? If you told me 9 because you count 1, 2, 3, 4, tell me orange dinosaur, you would be correct. So that's one way we can play this game. Now I'm going to turn these cards back over again. And we're going to play this game a little differently. This is when I'm going to be asking you to first find the card, and then I'm going to ask you to tell me which one is one more or one less. So remember that I have the cards in order. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, can you find the number 5? Which one should I turn over? If you told me red dinosaur, you would be correct because we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here's our red dinosaur. Now, what number is one more than 5? What number is one more than 5? If you told me blue dinosaur because you went one more, the number is 6. You are correct. What number is one less than 5? One less than 5. Less, remember, less means smaller. If you told me Snow White, to turn over Snow White because it's number 4, then you would be correct. I'd count 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is one less than 5. You are correct. Now, can you find the number 8? Count the cards. If you told me purple dinosaur, you are correct. Let's count the cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm turning it over and you are correct. So what number is one less than 8? Remember, less means smaller. If you told me the card that's near Olaf, you would be correct. This is one less than 8. And what number is this? If you said 7, you are correct. What number is one more than 8? More means bigger. If you said orange dinosaur, you would be correct because 9 is bigger than 8. Where is the number 2? Can you find the number 2? If you told me Ariel, you would be correct. This is card 1, 2. What number is one more than 2? One more than 2 is 3. If you told me green dinosaur, you are correct. Here is the number 3. What number is one more than 9? If you told me Elsa is one more than 9, you are correct. What number is one less than 2? If you told me yellow dinosaur, you are correct. Now I want you looking at the numbers again, and let's see if we can continue playing a different way. I'm going to leave the numbers showing this time, and now I want you to look at these cards and count the dots on the card. So, if you count the dots on this card, how many dots are on this card? If you counted 9, you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you find the number 9? If you said orange dinosaur, yes, that is the number 9. Now let's try another card. Can you count the dots? If it is 5, you are correct. Let's count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where is the number 5 here? If you said red dinosaur, you are correct. Okay, let's look at another card. What number is this? If you said 1, you are correct. Where is the number 1? If you said yellow dinosaur, you are correct. Okay, can you see these? So how many dots are here on this card? Did you say 7? You can know that one whole row is 5. So you think in your head, 5, 6, 7. So where is the number 7 here? If you said Olaf, you are correct. Let's look at another card. How many dots are on this card? If you said 4, you are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the number 4? If you said Snow White, you are correct. This is the number 4. Let's look at another card. Can you see all these dots? This is the number 10. 2 full rows of 5 makes 10. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you find the number 10? If you said Elsa, you are correct. Let's look at another card. How many dots do you see here? Do you see 2? Where is the number 2? If you said Ariel, you are correct. Ariel is right next to the number 2. How many cards are on this card? How many dots are on this card? If you said 6, you are correct. We have a whole row, that makes 5, and one more makes 6. So you say 5, 6. Where is the number 6? Yes, it is right here. If you said blue dinosaur, you are correct. Can you tell me how many dots are on this card? If you said 8, you are correct. Remember, a whole row is 5, 6, 7, 8. Where is the number 8? If you said purple dinosaur, you are correct. Let's look at another one. How many dots are on this card? If you said 3, 1, 2, 3, you are correct. Which card is the number 3? Yes, if you said green dinosaur, it matches the number 3. Very good. So now what I want you thinking of is looking at these cards because we're going to be playing it a different way. This is our 4th way of playing it. And it's important to do this because when you get bigger and you're going to be doing addition, which means putting together, or subtraction in school, which is taking apart and making less, then you need to put these numbers in your head. And that's why we're practicing it now, because you are already getting so smart. So I want you to be looking for the number 6. Can you find the number 6? If you said the blue dinosaur, you are correct. This is number 6. Which number is 2 less than 6? I want this dinosaur to go walking. It's going to go walking 2 less than 6. Let's go having it walking. Ready? It's starting. And it's going to walk across one number and another number. And what number did it come to? If you said 4, you are correct. Very good. Now this dinosaur is going to be going 1 more than 4. What is 1 more than 4? Let's go walking. Just one space, Mr. Stegosaurus. And he came to what number, guys? If you said 5, you are correct. Now I'm going to put him back here again. Now, can you find the number 8? If you said the purple dinosaur, you are correct. Here is the number 8. Now, what number is one more than 8? Let's have the Stegosaurus go walking one space more than 8. He's going to go start walking. And he stops at one space. What number is one more than 8? Yes, if you said 9, you are correct. Okay, now, what number is 2 less than 9? What number is 2 less than 9? Let's have the dinosaur go walking. He's got to turn around because less means smaller. So let's have him walk 2 spaces less. Count with me. Do, 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 do. 1 space. Do, 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 do. 2 spaces. What number is 2 less than 9? If you said 7, you are correct. Now I'm going to put the Stegosaurus back. Now I'm going to go to Snow White wants a turn. So what number is Snow White? She's number 4. And Snow White likes to dance. She doesn't like to stomp. So I'm going to have Snow White, and she wants to go looking for her prince. So she's going to go 2 spaces more to look for her prince. Let's go, Snow White. Which number are we going to? More means bigger number, so let's turn. Okay, Snow White, let's go over here. 2 spaces. Count with me. And what number did Snow White land on? If you said 6, you were correct. Good job, guys. Now, Snow White still didn't find her prince, so she's going to go 1 space less. That means that she has to go to a smaller number, so she's going to turn and she's going to dance over. 1 space. Oh, I'm so sorry, Snow White. Poor thing, she fell down. What number did she fall down on? If you said 5, you are correct. High five, guys. Now Snow White is going back. We're going to do this one more time with Olaf. Olaf is at number 7. And now he's going to go looking for Elsa. So what number is 2 more than 7? Let's go. We have to go higher to a bigger number. So he's going to turn this way and let's count. He's going to jump. Ready? And jump. 1. And jump 2. And what number did he land on? If you said 9, you are correct. Now what number is 1 more than 9? Let's have him jump. He's going to go for more. That means bigger. He's going to turn this way and jump again, Olaf. And he jumped and he found Elsa on what number? 10. You are correct. Now, Elsa and Olaf are going to jump all the way down. Count with me. Ready? They're going to jump together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! The game is over. Okay, so